Are you suffering with the tiredness or pain in the body without any kind of activity which you are doing, and every day you feel like your body is aching? Don't worry, this video is genuinely made for you guys. In this video, I'll be teaching about why this is happening and how can you really kind of cure this one, and what are the things you should do, and what are the lifestyle changes which you should be putting on in your life to stop this kind of pains. Because of course it's not an severe pain, but the body is paining every day, so you cannot focus on your work, you cannot focus on the things which you're doing, you're not on the calmest or the happiest moment, because every day it will be aching and it's not even severe, it's not even going off. Then this video is for you. Myself, Dr. Mika from Homeopathic Clinic. I'll be talking today about pain in the body or the tiredness without any kind of reason. Of course, the reason is there, but you will be not knowing what is the reason. If you are suffering with this kind of symptom like aching pain in your muscles, or aching pain after you wake up, or there is a pain in the body whenever you kind of wake up, or all over the day, or when you go to sleep, like that, just watch this kinds of signs and symptoms. If this is happening with you and this is the end result, then you should be going on to the techniques which I'll be teaching you, and the lifestyle changes which I'll be teaching you, and the food habits which I'll be teaching you. So let's move on to the topic. Okay, why this is been happening? What are the causes? First one is increase workload. Then also you get this neck pain or the back pain, like that. But you should concentrate. Of course, in the older days, our grandparents or some people used to work very hard, but they never used to complain about this kind of thing. Why it has been happening? It is because of mental stress. Because how some people will be questioning, means it is a body pain, not a mental pain, doctor. How can a body and a mind is connected? Of course, body and mind is connected. When you get a mental stress only, then only your body reacts with this kind of pain or acidity or tiredness or gastric symptoms, this kind of activities. So first we'll be knowing about what are the stress which is making you get tired. When you get the stress in the mind, you feel this type of pain, burning in the body, abdominal obesity, everything takes place which is because of this. No matter how many pills you take per day or to let go of this tiredness or body pain, it is not at all going. Even you started to work or work out or go to gym or doing yoga, exercise, walking, then also it's not been changing. Don't worry about it. Some people even says that I shifted from unhealthy foods lifestyle to the eating healthy foods also, but still I cannot fix this problem, doctor. Please help me out. Of course it's not an disease, but it's troubling. So every disease does not need a medication. Some need some correction in the lifestyles and in the way of you living, so you will be able to cure little bit acute diseases also. Not everything need an medication. You are at the very right video. Okay, next 7 minutes we will be talking about how we will be able to rule out the thing, how we will be able to let go of this pain from your body. First thing is mental stress. First we will know how does the stress impact on us, and where all we will be getting the pain and where it may appear in our body. That is, you may get neck pain, shoulder pain, wrist pain, hips pain, or foot burning, foot pain. Let's know when it appears like this? Why does the pain increases when this stress hormone, that is cortisol level, increases, which leads to the increase in the belly fat also? Some people say that I was not at all having an fat near the belly area, but nowadays I does not know why it's been increasing. I am eating an limited diet and I am working out, but still the fat is being increased. I am gaining on the weight. That is because of stress hormone, that is cortisol hormone. So you should regulate that. So now we will be talking about why it has been happening. You already know that in everyone's life, stress and tension has been common in everyone's home life and day-to-day activities, because even for a little thing, even we can solve it without getting stressed, but we like to take the stress and the tension to solve that one. Maybe it has become an habit for us that taking a stress or tension is common, because we had seen our elders taking the stress and we also are into that kind of thing. Maybe because of that we are undergoing this kind of pain. And some will be getting this kind of belly fat after getting married, because husband, because they was not having any responsibilities, they was in a sweet home, they used to be like themselves, but after marrying they had some responsibility like looking after wife, children's, money responsibility, security responsibility. Everything is pressuring them. That is the stress or the tension which he is taking. Because of that he is developing the belly fat. Okay, so let's understand what changes happen in our body when this tension occurs, and then why this cortisol level kind of increase. First thing is that the pain increases, aching kind of thing, and tightening of the neck, tightening of the shoulder, tightening of the wrist muscles. Everything happen whenever we hear some sudden news. Means now I want to go out for an marriage and I does not want to face the people, but seriously I want to go to that marriage because it's my family marriage. So everyone will be asking me this, that and everything. Because of that I get stress, and after that I just kind of go out, and because of this the muscle uh, get tighten up and they relax. They get tighten up, they relax, because you get tension, the muscle tighten up. After that you say it's okay, nothing is going to happen, I'll go. Relaxation happen. After entering the function, someone comes to talk to you and you get stressed because they are going to ask something which you does not want to hear, and then after that person goes away you just relax. Like this, when this continue kind of thing happen, the muscles also get tired and the weariness of the muscle happen. So because of this sudden changes and sudden tightening and relaxation, you get this aching kind of body pain in your muscles and the body. And some people also experience increase in the heartbeat, we call it as palpitation. And they also can feel that one when someone is approaching them, means they are coming towards you that time. And some also experience this shortness of breath. They cannot breathe properly, they're having difficulty of breathing when they are tensed and everything. We also call it as anxiety. And whoever is suffering with the blood pressure, there will be increase in the blood pressure. Because of all these things has been happening, and the muscles are the things which are really kind of tightening up, losing up and everything. Because of that, without your knowledge, your muscles are already acting up. Because of that you get this kind of pain. So what you can do to get let this go, there is an relaxation technique, that is you sit on a chair for 5 minutes and you breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. You can do that, and you can also go for walking in the morning, early morning, 30 minutes. That is also going to give you relaxation. And you can also means your sleep cycle also affect on this stress level. If you have a deep sleep at least 4 hours and complete sleep for 6 to 8 hours, then you will be unable to react like this. If you're not getting then enough sleep, then you're going to react like this. Then maintaining a good diet, like including some green leafy vegetables, fruits, salads in your diet, and meditation for calming your brain and your body parts. You can also do the yoga or the exercises which can really kind of help the muscle for the flexibility. Okay, you can do this, and you can also kind of talk out with your family before you go to sleep. Don't look at your phone before you go to sleep, because that also affects the sleep quality. So these are the common things which you should not be doing in your day-to-day activities. Diet is also one kind of thing, and lifestyle change is also another kind of thing. If you change these 5 lifestyles, you're going to the next level. Just do it for 21 days, you will see the miracles. Thank you. Myself, Dr. Megha from Homeopathic Clinic. I thought that this video was very useful for everyone. Please do like and subscribe.